What is your name?
My name is Aarti.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you.
Where do you live?
I live in Kathmandu.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
What is your address?
My address is 123 Main Street, Kathmandu.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Are you a teacher?
No, I'm not.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Suresh.
What is your mother's name?
My mother's name is Sita.
Do you go to school?
Yes, I do.
What do you do every day?
I go to school every day.
Do you wake up early?
Yes, I do.
When do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 9 p.m.
Do you brush your teeth?
Yes, I do.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I do.
Do you drink water?
Yes, I do.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I do.
Do you play games?
Yes, I do.
Do you read books?
Yes, I do.
How many people are there in your family?
There are 5 people in my family.
Who is your father?
My father is Suresh.
Who is your mother?
My mother is Sita.
Do you have a brother?
Yes, I have a brother.
Do you have a sister?
Yes, I have a sister.
What is your brother's name?
My brother's name is Raj.
What is your sister's name?
My sister's name is Geeta.
How old is your brother?
He is 12 years old.
How old is your sister?
She is 8 years old.
Who do you live with?
I live with my family.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What color is this pen?
This pen is red.
What color is your bag?
My bag is black.
What color is the sky?
The sky is blue.
What color is the grass?
The grass is green.
What color is an apple?
An apple is red.
What color is a banana?
A banana is yellow.
What color is your shirt?
My shirt is white.
What color is your car?
My car is blue.
What color do you like?
I like green color.
What is 1 plus 1?
1 plus 1 is 2.
What is 2 plus 2?
2 plus 2 is 4.
What is 5 minus 2?
5 minus 2 is 3.
How many fingers do you have?
I have 10 fingers.
How many eyes do you have?
I have 2 eyes.
What time is it?
It is 8 a.m.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on 1st January.
How many days are in a week?
There are 7 days in a week.
How many months are there in a year?
There are 12 months in a year.
What day is today?
Today is Monday.
What is this animal?
This is a dog.
Do you like dogs?
Yes, I like dogs.
Do you like cats?
Yes, I like cats.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a tiger.
Where does a cat live?
A cat lives at home.
Where does a dog live?
A dog lives at home.
What does a cow give?
A cow gives milk.
What does a hen give?
A hen gives eggs.
Which animal is big?
Elephant is big.
Which animal is small?
Ant is small.
What do you like to eat?
I like to eat rice.
Do you like rice?
Yes, I like rice.
Do you like bread?
Yes, I like bread.
Do you like milk?
Yes, I like milk.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
What is your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is carrot.
Do you eat eggs?
Yes, I eat eggs.
Do you drink tea?
Yes, I drink tea.
Do you drink coffee?
No, I don't drink coffee.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I like ice cream.
What is this?
This is a pen.
What is that?
That is a book.
Is this a pen?
Yes, this is a pen.
Is that a book?
Yes, that is a book.
Can you read?
Yes, I can read.
Can you write?
Yes, I can write.
Can you draw?
Yes, I can draw.
Can you swim?
No, I can't swim.
Do you like school?
Yes, I like school.
Who is your teacher?
My teacher is Mr. Sharma.
What is this in English?
This is a chair.
What is that in English?
That is a table.
Do you have a pencil?
Yes, I have a pencil.
Do you have a bag?
Yes, I have a bag.
Where is your school?
My school is in Kathmandu.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Hari.
Do you play football?
Yes, I play football.
Do you play cricket?
No, I don't play cricket.
Do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
Can you sing?
Yes, I can sing.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can dance.
What is the weather today?
The weather is sunny.
Is it sunny today?
Yes, it is sunny.
Is it raining today?
No, it is not raining.
Do you like winter?
Yes, I like winter.
Do you like summer?
No, I don't like summer.
What do you see on the ground?
I see grass on the ground.